Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Welcome to the future of interior design. 2025 is all about bold expression, and nothing makes a statement quite like a vibrant, colorful couch in your living room. If you're ready to move beyond neutrals and embrace eye-catching hues, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring modern and trending living rooms that showcase color couches in the most stylish and sophisticated ways. Whether you're drawn to deep emerald greens, electric blues, or warm terracottas, this year's trends will inspire you to reimagine your space with personality and flair. Stay tuned as we break down 5 stunning ways to incorporate colorful couches into your living room, from timeless classics to bold, modern aesthetics. And don't forget, by the middle of the video, I'll be asking you to subscribe if you haven't already and to share your thoughts in the comments below. But first, let's dive into these breathtaking design ideas. Jewel-toned elegance. One of the biggest trends in 2025 is jewel-toned couches. Think sapphire blue, emerald green, and deep amethyst. These colors instantly elevate a living room, giving it a regal yet inviting feel. Pair an emerald green velvet couch with brass accents and warm wood finishes to create an Art Deco-inspired space that's both luxurious and cozy. If you prefer a moody aesthetic, a deep blue sofa against dark, textured walls creates an intimate, high-end ambience. Jewel tones are versatile and work beautifully with both modern and classic interiors, making them a must-have for this year. For a balanced look, layer these deep hues with lighter textiles like ivory or soft gray to prevent the space from feeling too heavy. You can also mix in metallic decor pieces, gold or silver, to enhance the richness of the color while keeping things sophisticated. Whether you're going for dramatic or subtly luxurious, a jewel-toned couch is a timeless investment in your decor. Earthy and organic, warm terracottas, mustards, and olive greens. Nature-inspired palettes continue to dominate in 2025, and earthy, warm-toned couches are leading the way. A burnt orange or terracotta sofa instantly adds depth and warmth to a space, perfect for those who love a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Mustard yellow and olive green are also fantastic choices, working seamlessly with natural wood, rattan, and textured linen fabrics. Pair a mustard velvet couch with neutral walls and layered greenery for a refreshing, boho chic vibe. These hues bring the outdoors in and create a timeless, organic aesthetic that feels grounded and serene. To enhance this trend, consider adding handmade ceramic vases, woven baskets, and linen throws. The goal is to create a harmonious, relaxed space where natural elements shine. Whether in a modern rustic home or a contemporary loft, these colors bring a sense of warmth and tranquility that never goes out of style. Before we jump into the next 2 design trends, take a moment to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you love interior design, stylish home transformations, and staying ahead of decor trends, you won't want to miss our future videos. Also, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below. What's your favorite couch color trend so far? Let's keep the conversation going. The modern monochrome, bold color, one unified look. If you're looking for a high-fashion, editorial-worthy space, a monochrome color scheme with a bold couch is the way to go. Imagine an all-blue living room with varying shades of cobalt, navy, and powder blue, all centered around a striking blue velvet sofa. This trend is all about commitment, painting walls, choosing decor, and even selecting furniture in varying depths of a single color family. It's modern, cohesive, and creates a striking visual impact. For added texture and depth, incorporate different materials. Think glossy lacquered furniture, matte ceramic accents, and plush rugs in similar tones. A monochrome approach allows for subtle variations in color while keeping the overall look seamless. If you love drama and artistic expression, this look is for you. To prevent monotony, use lighting strategically. Soft, warm lights can add coziness, while bright whites will enhance the boldness of your chosen hue. Pastel serenity. Not every colorful couch needs to be bold and dramatic. In 2025, soft pastels like blush pink, sky blue, and lavender are making waves for their calming and ethereal qualities. A pastel couch can add just the right amount of color while maintaining a light, airy aesthetic. A blush pink sofa paired with creamy whites and soft grays creates a dreamy, feminine look, while a lavender couch can bring a subtle, whimsical charm. These hues work beautifully in minimalist and Scandinavian-inspired interiors, adding a touch of personality without overwhelming the space. To make the most of this trend, choose soft, layered textures like knitted throws, sheer curtains, and light wood furniture. This will enhance the delicate nature of the pastels and create a space that feels fresh and serene. If you're looking for a gentle pop of color that still feels sophisticated, pastels are the perfect way to go. High contrast statement, bright colors against dark backdrops. If you love a bold, dramatic contrast, this trend is for you. A brightly colored couch against a deep, moody backdrop, such as a mustard yellow sofa against a charcoal gray wall or a fiery red couch set against a deep navy background, creates an ultra-modern and stylish look. This combination adds depth, drama, and a sense of artistic flair to any living room. Pair it with sleek black furniture, gold or chrome finishes, and statement lighting for a design-forward aesthetic that turns heads. To truly embrace this trend, consider using textured walls like plaster or matte finishes to give an added dimension to the background. Additionally, bold artwork or geometric patterns in similar tones can tie the entire space together. This look is perfect for those who love a contemporary, gallery-inspired feel with a dose of personality. And there you have it, 5 stunning ways to embrace colorful couches in your living room for 2025. Whether you're drawn to jewel-toned luxury, earthy warmth, monochrome boldness, pastel serenity, or high-contrast drama, there's a perfect color trend waiting for you to bring your space to life. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Which color couch would you love to have in your living room? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for more home decor inspiration, and until next time, happy decorating!